कार्याणि न मनोरथे नाहि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ते मुखे मृगाः. This means work get accomplished by putting in effort and certainly not by wishful thinking. Deer certainly does not enter a sleeping lion's mouth. A very cheerful morning to all the preceptors and my dear friends. I, Tejas Mittal of 7th E, along with my team, welcome you all to this pleasant morning assembly. On the topic, procrastination is the enemy of success. A new day means a fresh start and new opportunities. So let's greet this day with our open arms. Thus, get ready to remember the Almighty, the creator of this whole universe. So join your hands and close your eyes for 3 times Om chanting and Gayatri Mantra followed by a school prayer.
धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. तूने हमें उत्पन्न किया, पालन कर रहा है तू. तुझसे ही पाते प्राण हम, दुखियों के कष्ट हरता है तू. तेरा महान तेज है छाया हुआ सभी स्थान. तेरा महान तेज है छाया हुआ सभी स्थान. सृष्टि की वस्तु वास्तु में तू हो रहा है विद्यमान. सृष्टि की वस्तु वास्तु में तू हो रहा है विद्यमान. तेरा ही धरते ध्यान हम मांगते तेरी दया. तेरा ही धरते ध्यान हम मांगते तेरी दया. ईश्वर हमारी बुद्धि को श्रेष्ठ मार्ग पर चला. ईश्वर हमारी बुद्धि को श्रेष्ठ मार्ग पर चला.
Thought of the day. Success is not obtained overnight. It comes in installment. You get a little bit today, a little bit tomorrow, until the whole package is given out.
Procrastination can be stated as a habitual or intentional delay of starting or finishing a task, despite knowing it might have negative consequences. It is a common human experience involving delay in everyday chores. Few examples of procrastination are
repeatedly putting off a homework assignment until the night before it's due. Wanting to start a new positive habit such as dieting, exercising, or saving money, but repeatedly delaying it. Browsing social media instead of doing important works.
Although people can learn as much as they want about self-discipline, motivation, planning and time management, unless they make it a part of their daily routine, their habits, thinkings, patterns and mental models, it will just be an information stored in their memory. Any book, article or video can give you tools, but it is up to you to actually use them. Here are few effective strategies which will help you to avoid procrastination.
The personal vision helps you to focus on the right activities and sets your priorities in order to avoid switching between different tasks. Understand what motivates you and you will be able to maintain your self-discipline and make the most out of each day.
Make a to-do checklist. The to-do today method is there to help you get the most important and urgent tasks every day, while also helping you prioritize your schedule. With its help, you will be able to manage much more in a day with less stress and less fatigue.
Distraction arises when your environment is imperfect for your work. If distractions are a real issue for you and organizing your work does not relieve the impulse to procrastinate, it is the vital that you look around and find out what is blocking your productivity. Develop the discipline to work in the space without internet connectivity or build idle internet browser into your schedule.
Establish a purpose. It is difficult to pick a route if you haven't yet determined a destination. Wanting to finish a task isn't enough to stay for procrastination. Purpose matters. Be creative with your goal. Try to establish broader purpose that you are passionate about and fit the task at hand into your plan for progressing toward that goal.
Consistent but patient. Breaking a bad habit can be difficult and can take some time. Don't expect to go from a champion procrastinator to model student overnight. Find the strategies that seem to work best for you and practice them. Notice and reward small improvements in your procrastinating behavior. There is no quick fix in procrastinator. It takes some time and efforts and no one else can fix it for you.
Expression of ideas with rhythm is poetry, and sometimes it carries a message too. Now, Shakya Niyaz and Prachi Bist are going to present a poem in front of you all on the topic procrastination.
न रहो न निराश करो मन को, कुछ काम करो, कुछ काम करो, जग में रह के निज नाम करो। ये जन्म हुआ किस अर्थ अहो, समझो जिसमें व्यर्थ न हो। कुछ तो उपयुक्त करो तन को, न रहो न निराश करो मन को। संभलो कि सुयोग न जाए चला, कब व्यर्थ हुआ सब पाए बला। समझो जग को निराश अपना, पथ आप प्रशस्त करो अपना। अखिलेश्वर है अवलंबन को, न रहो न निराश करो मन को। प्रभु ने तुमको करदान किए, सब वांछित वस्तु विधान किए। तुम प्राप्त करो न उनको अहो, फिर है ये दोष किसका कहो। समझो न अलभय किसी धन को, न रहो न निराश करो। किस गौरव के तुम योग नहीं, कब पान तुम्हें सुख भोग नहीं। जन हो तुम भी जगदीश्वर के, फिर क्या दुर्लभ उसके जन को। न रहो न निराश करो मन को। धन्यवाद।
The students of our class have put in effort in showcasing how continuous effort and no delay in our task leads to achieve success. through a beautiful dance performance.
ऐ परिंदे यूं अब के उड़ा कर तू, जा जला सूरज को जाके आसमां पे तू। ऐ परिंदे भर ऐसी उड़ाने तू, हर नजर ये तुझसे पूछे आग इतनी क्यों। धूल उड़ा जाके मंजिलों पे यूं, के इन हवाओं से तेरी यारी है। उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है, उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है, उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है। राहों में जो भी आए वो बादल बनके मुश्किलों के, उनको बता देना रे, परे रहना रे जिंदा दिलों से। ओ अंदाज है तेरा बेफिक्र मौज तू, के अब तेरी मुट्ठी में दुनिया सारी है। उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है, उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है, उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है।
A heartiest gratitude to everyone for being part of this assembly. Thank you so much to all the participants and teachers. I also want to thank you for giving your precious time. Thank you.